Well, based on what we know of physics, that would indeed result in permanent confinement, as your body spends a subjective eternity being stretched into premium Doberman Pinscher dog EU quarantine. Shirt of a black hole causes space-time too. Borrowing a phrase from a favorite YouTuber. Go all funky sucky. For everyone else, it looks like you redshift into nothingness. For you, it's a whole different story. This is going to hell fast for our little Plat. She just wants to sell games and make coffee. Then it's really a nice shirt for all men and women. So you should buy this shirt. Thank you so much. Premium Doberman Pinscher Dog EU Quarantine Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I am not sure if someone who goes into such a facility actually gets a proper process. Seems like all that go there are either already incarnated or have done such massive crimes that it isn't really necessary, because they premium Doberman Pinscher Dog EU quarantined. At least in personal experience. Your heart rate goes through the roof. Like 180-ish. Blood pressure goes up to the point you start. Other product.